Pearls of gleams in this autumn night adorn our lives as shrines, with the sparkles that moily skies as soaring spirits of power vendor. Let us thank the heavenly might in this festive season of light. Hello, Namaste Adab, Namaskaram, and a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Riya Singh, on behalf of Avicenna Tajik State Medical University, welcome you all to the special noon of Diwali. We are very glad to have you here with us on this auspicious day. You can expect an extra weekend and a complete entertainment evening ahead. A performer shall definitely leave you mesmerized, and I am sure you are going to praise and appreciate it as well right from your heart. If you really want to enjoy the program, please ensure that your mobile phones are on silent mode. Please give your quality time to us. But we need to hear the thunder of claps for each and every performance. I repeat, for each and every performance, we must hear a loud clap coming. A very big thanks to our sponsors, Indian Embassy, Vedanta Hospital, co-powered by Bollywood restaurant, Ghar Jaisa Khana. Now I would like to address my co-host, Komal Chaudhary, to take over the event ahead. Thank you so much. दीप के दीपाट का लहरी पर दीप एक जलता रहे, अंधकार से युद्ध ये चलता रहे। हारेगी हर बार अंधकार की घोर कालिमा, जीतेगी जगमग उजियारे की स्वर्ण लालिमा। दीप की ज्योति का प्रथम तीर्थ है, कायम रहे इसका अर्थ वरना व्यर्थ है। आशीषों की मधुर छाप इसे दे दीजिए, प्रार्थना शुभकामनाएं हमारी ले लीजिए। झिलमिल रोशनी में निवेदित अविरल शुभकामना, आस्था के आलोक में Good afternoon, people. As we know, this festival is celebrated by Indians, and I think that the triumph of light, more spiritual, although the main theme which runs throughout is a triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. All of our religions have their differences, but they all have their similarities. We all have our time of year when we want to celebrate what really matters, like our families, service to our communities, and the importance of trying to see the good triumph over evil. And that is what Diwali is all about. I give a warm welcome to our respected guest. I would like to call upon our Indian Ambassador, Mr. Somnath Ghosh, the chief guest of our evening, to show their valuable presence on this stage. Please welcome. Give him a big round of applause. Please welcome him on stage. कैंडल माचिस कुछ नहीं ऊपर। किसी के पास लाइटर है? और सबके पास होगी। लाइटर है किसी के पास? बैग नहीं है।
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः
To strengthen the bond of two countries, let's all stand up for the national anthem with due respect.
Dear students, the colleagues present here, and my dear Tajik citizens who are present here. Happy Diwali, Diwali Mubarak. Students, today Diwali is not an Indian event or Indian festival anymore. This festival of triumph of light over darkness, triumph of knowledge over ignorance, triumph of truth over falsehood is now a universal event, and it is being celebrated all over the world in different manners, in different ways. We have heard our Honorable President, Honorable Prime Minister and other leaders and leaders of the society, the intellectual leaders. They have greeted us in different beautiful messages. We have also heard the President of United States reading out a message from his Oval Office. Many of you might have seen it on WhatsApp or in other platform. Prime Minister May of United Kingdom, she had a very beautiful message to spread on this auspicious occasion of Diwali. Diwali or Deepavali, as we know, calls for tolerance, calls for honesty in life, calls for prosperity, and calls for everything good in life. We need them as ever. We need to remove the darkness from our mind, and we need to spread this light all over the world where there is no light. We know there are many places. Diwali is not only today an event of Hindus, it is also an event of all other faith in India. Many of you would know that on the day of Diwali, it is Bandi Chhor for our Sikh brothers and sisters. On that day, Guru Hargobind was released from captivity in Delhi. Diwali also, there are many from Kerala. My colleagues from Kerala told me that this is celebrated as elimination of Narakasura. So the legends are different, the epics are different in different parts of India, and that is why we are India. We are different in many ways, and we are same. We are this is the unity in diversity. Some from Gujarat may be celebrating their Gujarati New Year calendar on the occasion of Diwali. From those who are from the Nepal border or who have been in Sikkim, this is Tihar for Sikkimis. Some from Bengal, I come from Bengal. Diwali day was the Mahakali Puja, Shakti Puja on the same day. For Jains, Diwali is the day, on that dark day, one night 2500 years ago, Mahavira, Lord Mahavira attained Nirvana. He added light on this dark day. So it's beautiful, the stories are beautiful. India is diverse, and we want to spread this message of diversity, the message of tolerance, message of accepting difference to the entire world. And we are very happy. We have the host of our beautiful Tajik people who are open, who are very kind, and who are very hospitable. So I thank on this day to our Tajik people, our Tajik colleagues and friends who have joined us in this celebration. I also congratulate you, the organizers and each of you for this beautiful event. Last year also I think I could attend this, but this year it is in a grander way, and I believe you are much bigger in number. Embassy is always with you. Those who have just arrived this year, this may be our first meeting, so welcome to Tajikistan, and never think that you are alone, we are with you. The students who are passing out will vouch for that. Anything, any problem you have, please contact us and help us being in touch with us. We have been telling for quite some time that please register with us so that your names and contact details are with us. In case of difficulty, we can reach out to you quickly. Still, there are many, in fact, a vast majority of you who are not in touch with us. Please be with us. I don't want to take much of time today. We have a big list of events and the performers waiting behind the screen. So congratulations. Have health, have happiness, have prosperity, and study well. Thank you very much.